Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can redeem your code or your gift code on your Call of Duty mobile. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So you brought a new gift card, or maybe you have some kind of code that you want to redeem it. You're not being able to find the option within the game. That is because COD mobile does not offer you a way to redeem your code within the game. So if you're trying to log in from within the game and redeem your code, you simply won't be able to do that. So instead, what I would recommend you do is you go ahead and then open up your browser and go to this official URL, of which I will leave in the description box, which is called callofduty.com/redemption. This is the official website of Call of Duty. I'm not letting you to any type of spammy websites. This is the official website provided by COD themselves. So just hit the go button. Once you do so, you'll directly be taken to the redemption center, which means the redeem page of Call of Duty mobile. And over here you simply have to enter our redeem code. Now first, before you enter your redeem code, you have to make sure to enter your user ID. Your user ID is only available from within the game. So if you don't know what user ID is, then I'll just tap on this little question mark icon over here. You can see enter your redemption code and Call of Duty UID to collect and find your reward within the game. How to find a UID? Just open it up, tap on your profile on the COD mobile on the top left, and just go to the option called user profile, and you'll find this little button at the bottom which just says user ID. So you just want to make sure to select that. Once you have a user ID with you, make sure it's correct and just enter your redeem code. Now it's the time to go ahead and enter your code. So just go ahead and enter the code that you have on your gift card and enter the verification code over here. This is done in order to verify that it's not a bot who's actually trying to verify and redeem the code. So you want to be aware of that and tap on the submit button at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done so, you'd have successfully redeemed your code on Call of Duty mobile if every details are correct. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you in either way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.